Good morning, grade 5. Today our new lesson is about trade. Long ago, people used to exchange their crops with each other to meet the needs of their families. This is called bartering. Then they started using silver coins and gold coins to buy things. Today we use different currencies. Currencies means money. Checks and credit cards to buy and sell goods and services. This is known as trade. Trade is the buying and selling of goods. Goods could mean food, clothes, anything. In order to trade, we need a producer and a product, a consumer and transportation system to carry products to markets. Merchandise exports grew on average by 6% annually. Total trade in 2000 was 22 times in the level in 1950. Countries of the world practice trade by buying or selling goods they produce. They produce means that they make in their own country. Selling what one country does not need or its surplus goods to other countries is known as export. So, when a country makes one product and it has so much of it, that means it has a surplus. So what does it do? It sells it to other countries, and this is known as export. Import refers to buying goods here, to buying goods that one country does not produce or does not have enough of from other countries. So import is when one country buys the things that it needs from another country. The export of the industrial countries are more than their imports since they produce almost all the manufactured goods they need. On the other hand, developing countries export mostly raw material and import most of their manufactured goods. So there are two types of countries. Countries that have enough things and they export things to other countries, and countries that do not have enough things and they import things from other countries or goods from other countries. Most countries import goods from other countries despite the fact that they produce the same goods. As a result, countries impose taxes on imported goods, but restriction on the number of items of a particular good that can be imported. These measures are taken to convince their citizens to buy local goods that are made in their countries. For example, since Jordan produces tomato paste, it imposes taxes on important brands to make it more expensive and thus protect the stability of local products. In a more simple example, if you think about it, chocolate. If you want to buy a chocolate that is imported from another country, it's very expensive. But if you want to buy a local chocolate, it's less expensive. Why? Because things that are made locally have no taxes. In order to eliminate trade barriers between countries, the WTO, World Trade Organization, was established. It encourages countries to sign trade agreements in order to decrease taxes on imported goods and facilitate the transportations of goods. Facilitate means make it easier for countries to trade. The WTO means World Trade Organization was established in 1995. It is part of the United Nations organization. It consists of 149 countries and it's located in Switzerland. And that's it for today.